because we have
And
seagulls
he's
in
posting
Kansas.
this stuff, you know, so I'm looking at Facebook watching his post, and it's like, dude, you were freaking going freaking berserk. Well, he was talking to somebody else. I don't want anybody to know where I'm fishing. It's like, dude, I hate to say this. One, you're making enough noise that, you know,
Everybody's
alert
gonna know.
Everybody, yeah.
And two, it's not that hard to see that picture and say, he's down at Tuttle Creek.
Right.
Where's that?
He's like, okay.
Okay.
Wow, I didn't know there was big fish.
So I want to go up to